What's going on, everyone? I'm product specialist Amelia Colgate.
And I'm Galen Visengard here with our 707 Performance team.
We have one of our biggest builds of the year to show you guys today. It's a 2022 F250 Limited.
Our design team and techs absolutely killed this build.
Eric, you were pretty hands-on with this one, so why don't you walk us through it?
Absolutely. On this build, we went ahead and color matched our front emblem, went with a shorter valance. If you follow me around over here, we added 10 rock lights to this truck, 2 per wheel well. This truck is sitting on 26 by 14 American Forest wheels and a 38-inch tire. If you follow me around to the back, we continued our rock lights and also color matched our rear emblem.
What kind of hitch is that thing, Eric?
We got our big old heavy-duty bulletproof hitch, which is fully adjustable for any height trailer you need.
That thing's cool.
Great installation, Eric. Here we have another fine BDS installation, industry-leading aftermarket suspension lift system. Here we have a 4-link suspension in the front versus your typical radius arm. We powder-coated these suspension items blue to accentuate this truck. Once again, BDS offers their no fine print warranty for their hard parts.
Ooh-wee! You guys never cease to amaze.
Hey, you work with the best, you get the best. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to stay up to date on all of our 707 builds. You can also come stop by the dealership, visit our website, sarasotaford.com, or give us a call at 888-349-4989.